How hard can interior design be? Have I seen him somewhere before? Why does he seem so familiar?
Hi, you are the top interior designer, right?
Hi, my name is Nelson Tan. You are?
Nelson Tan?
It's Nelson Tan.
Oh, Nelson Tan.
Yes, who are you?
I also interior designer. That's always wanted to learn the design from you because your design is way at the top of the Asian world.
Not just the world. Basically, I have project in Singapore and Malaysia and some in Batam.
Amazing. Maybe I can show you like some of my designs.
Okay.
This is my project. I try to bring the vision to life, but they are always successful.
I can see that you put in a lot of effort in your drawing, design, but lacking something. For home so small, right? What you do is when you add LED lighting, right, it adds depth and brightness to your whole home. Need a lot of storage in Singapore home. Yeah, here also storage. Right? Everywhere also storage.
Oh.
Yeah. So you understand now?
Yeah, I understand. See my design? But I don't know why the homeowners they don't like it.
Okay, I see that you incorporate LED lighting and some storage space for the home. But I feel that your design kind of very abstract. You must understand, renovation is never an easy journey. All of us, we learn through the whole process and we are learning every single day.
I so pour my heart into the design, but the homeowner don't connect with my vision.
Since Christmas is coming, right? This one I give it to you. This is the pencil, right? That I use in my interior design journey. Helped me win numerous awards. So I'm going to give it to you.
Wow. Thank you, Sifu. After I'm winning the interior design award in London for abstract art, I thought of returning to Singapore to learn and explore the Asian interior designs.
What? You are a abstract interior designer and someone you won award in London? Oh my god!
Yes, why?
I really Nelson Tan already.
Renovation is not an easy journey, but Renopedia.sg makes it easy for you this Christmas. Visit Renopedia.sg now.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.